Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tim. This is New Craft Workshop, and today we're inside of a Lowe store, and I'm going to show you guys some stuff that's on sale today in the store, as well as I'm going to pop up some stuff that's online only. If you're not familiar with Lowe's and how they operate, set up a free online account. I'll pop a link down to that in the description below as well. It's just your name, phone number, email address, some basic information, and it's going to allow you to get free shipping on anything over $25, as well as online pricing, members only pricing that you cannot get matched in store. Yeah, that's right, I know. I've learned from experience. They will not even match their online pricing in store. They're going to make you order it online, wait for it to be pulled and put in will call. But that's enough talk. All of the information will be down in the description. Let's check out what's on sale here today at Lowe's. All right, first thing I see when I walk in the door is this 3 tools to choose from for $149. Now, the one that caught my eye is going to be the drill and driver combo. You're going to get a 24-volt combo kit from Cobalt. It's going to include a drill and an impact driver, 2 tools, battery, charger, $149. This is their 24-volt max. This is a great price, great deal. Let's go. All right, let's head over to Craftsman. Now, I know Craftsman is not the Craftsman of old, but they are running a similar special on this particular kit, $149. Going to get you a drill, driver, battery, carrying case, and a charger. But they also have this where you're getting a tool free when you buy a battery starter kit. This is a really good deal if you're starting out a tool collection, hobbyist, DIY, or something like that. $99 gets you 2 batteries, a charger, and a free tool. Speaking of $99, let's check this out right here. This is their fan for your shop, battery powered as well. 20 volts, going to get you cooled down out in your shop during the summer. Head over here and we're going to check out some more from Craftsman. Now, this is going to give you a little bit more detail about which tools you can get for free when you buy your battery starter kit. You got a jigsaw, reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, which is something a lot of you won't buy, but if it's free, pick one of those up. They come in extremely handy out in your shop. Great deal on Craftsman Tools. Don't know how long this sale is going, but catch it while it's here. All right, let's head over and look at Dewalt and the promos they are running over here. Now, this is a great deal. If you are in need of any of these tools, this is a great time to pick one up because you're getting a free battery. And this isn't a low-end battery. This is one of their 5 amp-hour batteries. Retail value, as you can see right here, is $169. They're throwing this in free when you buy any of these tools. Not sure what you're in need of, but we all know Dewalt has a great selection of tools. It's what I use out in my shop. And as you can see here, we're going to have everything from drills, drivers, grinders. We got a mini circular saw. We have a full-size circular saw, both 6.5 inch and 7 1/4. Heavy-duty impact drivers, reciprocating saws, you name it, Dewalt makes it. Great quality products. The Jigsaw and the Router I have out in my shop, and both of those tools are invaluable. If you're like me, you hate dragging cords around. Start your collection of battery power tools with this banger of a deal here on Dewalt. All right, let's move over here and look at this Metabo HPT. They're running a couple promos as well. If you're not familiar with them, they make some really good stuff. I've actually got a couple of their nail guns in my shop. Both are battery powered. I've got a brad nailer as well as a stapler. Don't use the stapler as much as I probably use my brad nailer, but it's there if you need it. But right now they're doing kind of a thing as well where you're getting some free items with the purchase. And if you haven't used Metabo products, you can see right here, they've got a pretty good selection as well. Drills, drivers, jigsaw, sanders, routers, grinders, reciprocating saws, circular saw, and then they've got a selection of their own accessories that they go along with it. Got a bit set, extra chargers, all that stuff on sale right now over at Lowe's. All right, let's head over here and let's look at Flex. They're running a very similar deal as well. What they're doing though is they've knocked way down their prices on some of their tools. So the group of tools you see here on the left, $100 off regular pricing. There's some great stuff in there. They've got a screw gun, they've got a small reciprocating saw, an oscillating tool, a sander, and then over at the right side here, you'll see they're running these $50 off. Jigsaw, reciprocating saw, circular saw. Flex makes good products. This is going to be available only at Lowe's. Check online because some of the products that we talk about today, the pricing that you're seeing up here is in store, but they might be running a different promo online. Hope I explained that at the beginning of the video well enough to where you guys can understand. Online pricing and in-store pricing is not always the same, but if something is in store on sale, you can order it online and have it shipped to you for the same price, just not the other way around. Sometimes you'll find stuff on sale online that they do not have going in store and they will not match it. I know it's frustrating, but whatever. All right, Flex also offers some accessories, bits, blades, you name it. They've got their own line to go with their own tools. Good product on sale right now at Lowe's. All right, let's go over here and let's check out the battery section. And the reason we're here in front of the batteries is because I want to show you guys this promo that they are running right now. Now, this particular sale is online only. You are getting 4 batteries. Look at the price here. That's right. You're going to get 4 batteries, 2 amp hours, as well as 2 4 amp hours. Now, this is an awesome price. Online only, $180 off. This is like 60% off their regular price, $149. You're not going to beat this anywhere, including Amazon. Grab this while it is here. Now, sticking with Dewalt, I wanted to show you guys this. So in store, they have this particular version of Dewalt's 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. It is the DWS 780. It is going to have an extendable guide on the side to help kind of stabilize your material. It's going to have a hold down clamp to stabilize your material, positive stops in all of the important angles, and it is sliding with compound, meaning you're going to get miter and bevel cuts. Going to cut up to a 2x12 at 90 degrees. Now, in store, this particular model, the 780, is $649, but look online, they have a special right now. They've got the DW779. The only difference between these two saws is the 779 does not have the shadow light that comes down onto your material. If that's something you can live without, this thing right now is $230 off, $399. This won't be around long. Grab one of these if you're in need of an upgrade. All right, what trip to the hardware store would not be complete without checking out some clamps? And if you've watched my channel before, you know I love Pony Jorgensen. Now, I have been pushing them on you guys with my Amazon videos over the past couple of years, and I will tell you right now, I have found that online through Lowes.com, you can pick up almost every single clamp Pony Jorgensen makes at the same price, and most of them are cheaper. That's right, I'm going to show you a couple examples right here of prices, what you're going to pay at Amazon versus what you're going to pay at Lowe's. If you're in need of clamps, Jorgensen makes excellent quality clamps, and the prices are extremely competitive with some of the bigger name brands. You're going to get great quality at great pricing. Check out the price differences here as I'm showing you down in the corners what you're going to pay for these things. Save yourself some money. Order these at Lowes.com. Lowe's will drop them off just like Amazon. All right, and let's hit this little section on my way out the door here. They've got some stuff over in the pro section of Lowe's that I kind of caught my eye. They've got these 2 packs of saw blades. They've got a coarse and a fine. I think it's a 40 tooth and an 80 tooth, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, it might be a 40 and a 60. But it's a good price. They're $10 off. You're getting 2 blades for about what you're going to pay for one out in your shop. And then we're going to kind of scroll through this little section right here where they've got a bunch of different miscellaneous stuff. Always check down in the Pro checkout, they always have some stuff like this on sale. Like this right here, rapid load bid set, right? So this is going to be great for your impact out in your shop. It's going to have, this kit right here is going to have pretty much everything you need. It's going to have flattened Phillips as well as some star and square drive. It's going to have a few drill bits, some nut drivers. It's going to have everything you need. This thing is a great little kit to have out in your shop. And here's another photo of the free tool deal. This one right here is actually a pretty good deal because if you buy the drill or the impact driver for $149, which is actually a great price on this 12 volt, you're going to get up to $179 value tool for free. And this is the time to pick up one of those tools that you probably wouldn't buy because it's free. All right, on the way out, I saw this Craftsman promo. Let's check this out too. This is kind of another one of these buy one, get something free. Limited time deals only. $199 right here for a 2-tool set from Craftsman. You're also getting some free stuff. Check your local store. Some of this stuff will be in your store. Some of it will be online only. And this is one that really caught my attention. I can't tell you how many times in my life I have needed a really good socket set, and I never have anything that helps me out when I'm in need. But this set right here, check this out. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch drive ratchets, screwdrivers, box wrenches, all of your sockets, including deep sockets. 230 piece set, literally 50% off right now at Lowe's. $99, $200 value. That's a great deal. All right, and finally, let's look at this Klein stuff. Now, in my real job, quote unquote real job, I love Klein products. I'm switching almost all of my boxes, totes, tool bags, carriers, etc. over to Klein because they are such good quality. Now, right now they're running this promo where if you spend so much money, you get different percentages off, or excuse me, different dollar amounts off. You spend X amount of dollars, you get, $25 off. You spend X amount, you get 50, so on and so forth. This right here is a little pricey. Klein makes good stuff, but I can promise you right now, it's worth every penny. On sale right now. And I lied. One more thing on the way out the door here. I found this ShopVac. Now, this is an actual ShopVac brand. Great quality vac for out in your shop. 12-gallon capacity storage. It's going to come with a bunch of filter replacements as well as accessories. 4.5 horsepower. This thing was originally, I believe, $70, $75, something like that. It's currently marked down on clearance, $59. I would grab one of these if you're in need of a ShopVac. This is a great price, and again, it's an original ShopVac brand. Great quality, great price. All right, guys, that's all I got for you here today at Lowe's. Each and every time I get a special deal promo or anything in my inbox, I'm going to try to head over here and film for you guys, show you guys what's on sale. As always, we're trying to save you guys some money out in your shop, and hopefully today we accomplish that. So that's all I got. As always, we will catch you on YouTube.